Welcome back, guys. I wanted to show you how to connect your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to the vehicle without any wires. So all you have to do is go to your settings and then go to your Bluetooth, and then you're gonna connect your phone to the vehicle. So we're gonna add device.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And once you find it on your phone, you're just gonna press it.
Confirm that the PIN displayed on sync matches the PIN displayed on your device.
And you also want to confirm the PIN because you don't want to connect to somebody else's car. And then you're gonna say yes, pair.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Perfect. And all you have to do and you're connected with the press of a button. No more wires. Everything's connected via Bluetooth.